Hi, I'm Harry from Kinver Canopies and I'm going to show you how to zap some algae with Kinver Canopies' very own Algae Zapper. Come with me. First, mix your solution together. I'm obviously making a lot because I'm doing more than one cover today. Give it a mix. Next, remove your boat cover from the boat. Place in an area where there's no vegetation or water and lay flat. Now spray. The cover is now fully treated. As you can see, I only used a litre of solution. I'm now going to take it inside because it's about to rain and leave it to dry.